Okay. Yeah. Hey, hello. Good now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever time it is wherever you are. My name is Afrofab. Karibuni to Lolwe Fitness. Yes, I always check in dancing. I swear, there's nothing better than music. Okay, other than Maji. We need to hydrate. But welcome. As usual, you know the drill. Get some space. Space. So today we'll switch it up a bit. We'll use a prop that almost every one of us has in the house. So this is the way we are going today. This is our friend. This is our trusted friend. So we're going to be doing a lot of exercises. We'll be using this most of the time, and we're using this because we have different things in the house we could use. We have things that could hold our weight. We have things that could help us focus our strength to different areas. So yeah, it's that simple. Oh yeah, and a mat. And your water. My water is somewhere. But I'll get my water. So see you go. But yes, you need to hydrate. You need to have enough space. And yes, your training partners, invite your kids, invite your spouse, invite your neighbor, invite the shopkeeper, invite everyone. So karibuni sana. So we'll start with a simple warm-up here. Again, like I said, I like to dance, yes? Always find a reason to dance. You've done something good, you're proud of yourself. Break into a dance. Yes? Aye, let's go close. Try and lift your feet off the ground, yes? Hey, this is how it looks like from the side. Yes. Inua magoti. Move your hands. Smile. Alright, let's go wide. To change the swing a bit. Hey. Yes. Pull. Do not worry. As long as you're moving, as long as you're active, I am good. Just move. Songesha kitu. And smile. Hey. Last one. Yes. Aye. March it out. How you feeling? Yeah? Lift your knees. Enjoy the music. Feel the music. Set the pace for everything you want to do today. Senor, let's go. And step. Don't step on your ground too loudly. If you have neighbors living below you, if you're living in an apartment, you don't want to be that neighbor. Just be nice, go to their door, invite them. Tell them, there's this thing on Lolwe TV Fitness. Come and join me. Let's have a workout party. Sindio? Aye. Last one. Hey. Invite the kids. Invite your mom. Invite everyone. Yes. Now we'll do tuck-ins just to get the knees. Yes. 2, 3, and smile. 4. Last one. 5, and switch. Other side. Yes. And 2, and 3, 4, 5. Hey. How you feeling? I am loving this. Yes? Aye. So now, we're going straight to the mat. Senor, I'll show you. It's a simple move, but it's really key because it works on a lot of areas. But the best part is that it strengthens our core. Trust me, you need a strong core because you're walking, you're running, you're jumping. You need to have a strong core. So here goes. We get into a plank position. You're allowed to get on your knees first. Get comfortable. Your palms go right under your shoulders, yes? Yes? If you're new to this, this is a good start. Just stay here, get the feel, get used to it. Yes, just get used to it. Don't be in a hurry. You'll get in a hurry and then now you'll hit the whole exercise. So no, take your time. So you lift your knees off the ground. Yes, you'll feel a shift in things. Yes, so try and hold that to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. You can stretch it out. I know your shoulders burn, and your thighs and your legs. Yes, that was good. That was good. If you feel that is a bit too much for you, you can go on your elbows. Again, you're on your knees. So all you need to do, lift your knees off the ground. Yes? Don't drop your head because you're going to hurt your back. Try and look here. Yes? So again, we go for another 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See, that wasn't so hard. That was not so hard. Again, we had to add another version, and then we'll repeat all of them all together. So now I have to do all of them because I'm showing you how to do this. The ball. Now this one is a bit tricky because your balance is tested. So yeah, as you progress, your core is going to get a lot stronger, your legs are going to get a lot stronger, your shoulders are going to be able to bear the weight. So let's try this. So all you need to do is to hold on to the ball quite well and then come off the ground. So we go for 10 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, you saw my hands shaking. There's two things about that. Balance, and you need to control yourself. You need to control yourself. So those are the levels you can get to. So first, start on your elbows, start slow. And the best part, you don't even need to do 10 of them. You can start with your 3. You can start with your 2. Just start. As long as you've taken the first step. So tomorrow you aim for higher, or maybe later in the day. It doesn't have to be the next day. If you feel strong enough, why not? Why not? So 3, 6, 9, bonus, 10. Round it off. Sindio? So again, let's try from the top. Now we start on our hands. Let me move this. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Remember, we start on our knees. Whichever level you're comfortable with, start with that one. But just try and push yourself to complete the exercise, yes? And it's not timed. You're timing yourself, your biggest challenge. So let's go. And smile. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes! How was that? How was that? Even added a bit of a jig, yes? When the music is too good, I tell you, you dance. Yeah? This is me taking an active break. Join me. Get some water to drink if you need. But yes, nothing is impossible. It's all in your mind. Let's go for round 2. We're on our elbows. Aya. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we come off it. While you plank, do not hold your breath. Do not hold your breath. That is not you being kind to your body. So try so hard to keep your breathing as normal as possible. I know it's tricky. It sounds like gibberish right now, but do your best to continue breathing. If you hold your breath, that's going to give you problems later. So breathe while you're at it. If possible, smile, feel good about it, enjoy the music, man. This life is too good, man. So again, our biggest one. You don't have to do this one if you're not yet comfortable with this. So since I'm using the ball, you can go on your hands or on your elbows, whichever you're comfortable with. Later on, you're allowed to graduate to this. Do not push yourself so that you hate the exercise as soon as high. So are we ready? Remember, we start on our knees. Balance. Balance. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You noticed when you're almost done, you start shaking. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. So that means you've engaged that place you're actually intending to. So for me, mostly it was the core and the hands. Yeah, so all I insist, do not give up. Do not give up. If you try and fall, try again. Try again. Like we said, it's not a race. You're not racing against anyone. I'm at a different level. Start at your own level. As long as you start, you're doing good. Yes? Start with 3. Multiply it by 2 tomorrow. By the end of the week, before you know it, you're doing 12. Yeah, so keep going. Yes? So, yeah. Again. Now, we're still on the mat. Now we get to push the ball to the side a bit. Now this is one of my favorite moves. I call it the back roll. I call it the back roll. Vile ulitamba ukiwa mtoto. That's what we're doing again. So again, we start in an upright position. If you have your mat, you can use your mat as a guide as well. If you're using a corridor, just try and mark your space. You can do a mental demarcation, yes? So lazima uanze kuchora kila mahali. Don't get yourself into trouble, Nani. Don't say I sent you. Yeah, so this is what we're doing. You're in this position. Yes, you're in this position. Then, just like you walk, opposite hand, opposite leg. Yes? Opposite hand, opposite leg. Just like the way you walk. You don't walk same hand, same leg. We go opposite. Just like you swing your hands, yes? So, let's try. We're going for 10. Sindio? Our starting point at the edge of the mat, yes? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Again, 4, 5, 6. Again, 7, 8, 9. I feel a bonus coming. 10, 11, 12. How are we doing? I hope we're doing good. I know there's a bun here and your legs and your core. So don't worry, you're doing good. You're doing good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I think we should repeat one more time. Sindio? Second time is always a charm. So here we are. So now we're doing 12, not 10 anymore because yes, the steps have dictated. So yes, you start at a table position. So 1, 3, again 4, 6. Let's go again. 7, 9. Last one. 12. Yes. Hey, my legs. Yeah, but it's that sweet pain. That pain of I've done it. Yes. Yeah, active break. I'll say find a reason to dance. Kwani nini? Hey. Let's make sure you stay active. Kidogo too. Don't exhaust yourself. Yeah. Yes. Are we ready for the next exercise? Why? Maka, my mouth is going offside. This one is simple. Raisi. Again, the ball comes in. So this is what we're going to do. I'll put this here so that you can see a front view and a side view. So yes, we are sitting on our mats with your knees high, yes? So you lean back kidogo. So this is our starting point, yeah? Again, I will turn. We're leaning backwards, yes? So all you need to do is touch, okay? So how many? 5 each side. So that counts for 10. So are you ready? If you do not have a ball, you can use a water bottle, you can use a cushion from your seat, because you just need something. You just need a prop to hold. Touch. That's all you need. Don't overthink it. It's never that serious, though your health is. Sawa. All right, so here we go. Touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5. That was the last one, because we're doing 5 for every side. So that was it. You see, that was a good workout. I'm here sweating. My eyes are feeling some type of way. But yes, again, we thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. You guys are brilliant. You've woken up, you took your time, found your remote, tuned in to watch us. Hi, you guys, you've gone to the socials, you're searching for us. You're special, yes? So thing is, keep going. Invite your friends, invite your neighbors, invite everyone, share the links with them, send them our social media handles, which will be running just at the bottom of your screen. And yes, we are Lolwe TV Fitness. Join us each and every time. Oh yeah, and the best part is you can watch us anytime you want, unless you're feeling you have to be on the dot, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, very early on the dot. So, karibu sana. And yes, my name is Afrofab from Afrofab Fitness. Karibu sana, and thank you so much. Please let us know anything you want us to add, anything you want us to remove, your suggestions, anything you want us to know, any questions you have about fitness, ask us. If we're able to help, we're going to help. But again, it's thank you sana from Lolwe TV Fitness and from Afrofab Fitness. See you again next time. Remember to dance. It's always a good thing. Hey! Okay.